Fall is finally here and I have something to share with you guys. Today I'm going to show you guys something different, something fab, something fit, and something fun. It's the fall FabFitFun. So this is the fall box. I'm gonna show you guys what's inside the box. I just received this in the mail and I don't know what's inside. It's kind of fun, huh? All right, so this is the box. Let's open it. Ta-da! Hi guys, Swatch Queen here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my living room. Today is gonna be different and something new. Fall is just around the corner and it's my favorite season. If you guys don't know me, my birthday is in fall, in November. I love fall. There's something about fall that makes me happy and relaxed without rain, and the smell of fall makes me happy, and it's just my season. So I'm so happy that FabFitFun reached out to me so I can show you guys the fall box. So if you guys don't know, FabFitFun is a subscription box. It is a seasonal subscription box, so you get 4 boxes every year. There's winter, spring, summer, and fall box for every year, and you can purchase the box for $49.99. All right, so here is my box. This is the FabFitFun fall box. And I love it because I imagine fall being my relaxing time. Take care of my body, mind, soul after that busy summer. This is the box for $49.99 and you get 8 products. All of these. You can also choose 3 products when you buy a box. If you are a select member, you can choose 4 products. I don't think any subscription box do that. If you know a subscription box that does options, let me know in the comment box below. All right, so my plan is just to relax and wind in fall, right? Look what they sent me. Number 1, they gave me a yoga mat. This yoga mat right here, it's a foldable, very thin travel yoga mat. So you can do your yoga anywhere you go. It's not big, it's not bulky, but just small like that. This is retail for $50, so just this yoga mat is $50, and the whole box is $49.99. This is what the yoga mat looks like. It's purple, very fall. Like that. And the quality is really good. The quality is like gym quality. When you go to the gym, they give you the best mats for yoga because they know that a lot of people are gonna use it and it's gonna be used every day. So quality is number 1. That's the first item in my box. Number 2, next item in the box is this Gourmet wood ceramic cheese board gift set. And I'm so glad that I got this because I love cheese. I used to love wine. I got pregnant, then I have a baby, and I'm breastfeeding, so I'm not a wine drinker anymore, but I'm a cheese eater. And I love cheese. My favorite cheese is Comté from France, but it's hard to find here in Texas. I love this Gourmet ceramic wood cheese board. So fancy. Serve cheese. It has a ceramic plate on the board, and this is real board. So pretty. And it has cheese cutter and it's sharp. Carl woke up. Say hi, Corey. Hi, everybody. Hi, FabFitFun. Next is the Cosmetics Pure C Vitamin C Mixing Crystals. And it says that shake it and then add it with your favorite cosmetics products. And I'm thinking like if you can add it in any products that they have, you can mix this with any moisturizer that you use right now. Vitamin C is very important for your skincare. My dermatologist would always tell me to use vitamin C and drink vitamin C for my skin. It eliminates my freckles. It also eliminates sunspots and other discoloration on your face. I love that. I love that I can use this with my moisturizer. I'm gonna try it and let you guys know. It says here that mix it with your favorite cosmetics products, but I don't have any cosmetics products except this one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix it with my moisturizer. This is the Ola Henriksen Moisturizer, and I only have a little bit left. What I'm gonna do is just shake it. I'm gonna put some in. Oh, it's like powder. Mix it a little bit and then put it on my face. You guys know I have psoriasis on my face. Love this product. Something new. It's very unique, smart. You can customize your skin products. It smells like orange. I love how it applies on my skin. Ooh, feels so good. And it smells so delicious. This is $54. Wow. This is only 6 grams, $54. Whole box is $49.99. And I got 2 products that are both $50 worth. This is amazing. Number 4, this is a grinder, a 2-in-1 grinder. It's a salt and pepper grinder. It's stainless steel and in plastic here. It's like a hard, thick plastic. And there is an adjustment like how coarse or how fine your salt and your pepper. This is gonna go well with my cheese board. Number 5, everybody gets number 5. It is the aromatherapy. This is deep relaxing roller ball. This is how it looks like inside, and it's a roller ball and it's an oil. Apply your deep relaxed roller ball to your pulse point. Inhale the fragrance. Blend for insist well-being on the go. So let's see. It smells very herbal. And it says this roller ball is the perfect way to enjoy a mindful moment wherever you are. So put this in your bag. If you're stressing out, just smell it. Smell yourself. Stress is gone. This one is restful and tranquility. So for relaxation. Oh, this is perfect. So before you go to bed, put it here. Smell it. It's very relaxing. It smells like really expensive spa. Number 6, 7, and 8. Everybody gets number 6, 7, and 8. This one is $30. Wow. This is the Aveda Damage Remedy. This is for your hair. Daily hair repair. So it's like a leave-on conditioner, a leave-on treatment. After the shower, you put this in your damp hair. It says that do not rinse. So it's a leave-on conditioner. And I love Aveda. They're very natural and healthy. This is the Aveda Damage Remedy. This is a daily hair repair. So it says shake well. Work a small amount of product in hands. Apply through damp hair and comb to distribute. Put in your damp hair. Aveda doesn't really have fragrance, which is good because it's natural and everybody can use it. If you're allergic to fragrance, it feels so smooth. Alright, and then it says this comb your hair to distribute the product, but I don't really comb my hair when it's wet. I just air dry it. So I'll just leave it like that. It feels really smooth and soft. That's amazing. We always need that. I don't wash my hair a lot, but when I do, I put a lot of products, and I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. Also, my top 10 products for my hair. I have very thick hair. Next is from Humankind. This is the Body Souffle. It smells so good. Oh, I'm not joking. It smells really good. It's like facial moisturizer, but for your body. Let's put it that way. And it smells so good. This smells like spa. No, everything in this box right now, it just makes me feel so relaxed. I love this. Thank you. That's amazing. It says that it's natural, vegan, and cruelty-free. This smells so good. I love lotion. I have psoriasis and my skin is really dry. Usually I use Nivea, Olay. You can see my psoriasis right there. It's getting better because I started Humera.
Watermelon.
Watermelon?
Oh.
Is it fruity?
Yeah.
This lotion is very light. The scent is not too harsh. It's not too much. Balance between sweetness and spa. It's very relaxing. It smells so good. Last one is Harper Ari sugar cubes, and this is an exfoliating sugar cube. I love sugar scrubs for relaxing. I love this. Oh, it smells so good, and I always do exfoliate. So it says here to take a cube with you in the shower or bath and gently massage over wet skin. but you don't need the whole cube. What I do is I slice it. I only need just 1/4. It smells like apple sour candy. You know those gummy worms with sugar? That's how it smells like. All right, so I tried the sugar cubes. This is the exfoliating sugar cubes from Harper Ari. I only use 1/3 and I still have a little bit left. You don't need the whole cube. What you should do is to cut it 1/4. You only need 1/4 for one shower or bath. It's really nice. This is really good. It smells like sour apple, like green apple. I just want to eat it. It's really good. I think this is gonna last for 3 months, honestly, because I only use sugar scrubs 2 to 3 times a week. So when you buy the subscription box, 3 are gonna be optional. You're gonna choose 3 items to be included in your box, and then 4 items everybody is going to have. Also, there is a select member. Select member chooses 4 items in the box. Guys, if you'd like to purchase FabFitFun subscription box, I have great news for you. I have a code, Swatch10, and you can get $10 off your first subscription box. If you want to learn more, visit FabFitFun.com or visit them on Instagram at FabFitFun. Alright, so that's it for my fall FabFitFun box. I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you do. Subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed, and hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. This is my FabFitFun box right here. $4.99 for all of this. Fall box for all of this. But if you use my code Swatch10, you get $10 off and only pay $39.99. How amazing is that? How cool is that? Get this box now. Get the fall box, FabFitFun. You love it. You will love it. And this is also a great way to give gifts. $39.99 for all of these. You can also choose 3 items to be included in your box. So go on, check out www.fabfitfun.com. See you next time. Bye. Happy fall. If you guys want to know about this look, I'm going to upload how I created this look coming up soon.